What is the value of the expression 8 plus 96 divided by 4 times open parenthesis 8 plus 4 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Everyone thinks this question is so easy, but it actually tricks a lot of people. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. Many people, when solving this question, first go for the expression 8 plus 96 and write this expression as 104 divided by 4 times 8 plus 4 inside the parentheses. And the next step, they go for the division between 104 and 4. And this expression simplifies to 26 multiplied by 8 plus 4 inside the parentheses. And the final step, they tackle the expression inside the parentheses and write it as 26 times 12, which ultimately gives them the answer 312. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that the correct answer to this question is option D. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some other people when solving this question first go for the parentheses and write this expression as 8 plus 96 divided by 4 times 12. And the next step, they go for the multiplication between 4 and 12 because they believe multiplication has priority over division. So, this expression simplifies to 8 plus 96 divided by 48. Then, they go for the division between 96 and 48 because they think division has a higher priority than addition. And they rewrite this expression as 8 plus 2, which ultimately gives them the answer 10. Then, they conclude that option B is the correct answer to this question. However, that's definitely wrong. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must follow the order of operations step by step from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have an addition sign, then a division sign, followed by a multiplication, and finally parentheses. We must start with the parentheses first, because it has the highest priority than the other operations. So, instead of this expression, we can write 8 plus 96 divided by 4 times 12. And the next step, we need to handle the division and multiplication, because multiplication and division have a higher priority than addition. However, it's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have the same level of priority. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the rest of the expression and move toward the right, performing division and multiplication in order. So, first we perform the division between 96 and 4, which simplified this expression to 8 plus 24 times 12. And the next step, it's time for the multiplication between 24 and 12, because multiplication has priority over addition. So, instead of this expression, we can write 8 plus 288, which ultimately gives us the answer 296. That's great. Option C is the correct answer to this question.